Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my world. My name is Lorrie, and this is where I'm at. It's been a while since I've come on camera and actually talked with you guys, so I thought I would stop on here for a couple of minutes. And I guess one of the things that I want to ask is, would you guys like to see more of me, or do you like the way that I've been doing the videos lately with the footage and some voiceover and stuff like that? Anyway. Uh, Saker reached out to me the other day and they asked me to review one of their products. And I'm super excited about it because I love my Saker products. I have the little 4-inch saw and it is the best thing ever. Watch, I'm going to start, or not this video, but I'm going to start learning how to do wood carving with all those trees that we have laying around outside. So stay tuned to that because that's going to be fun with my little Saker mini saw, I think. Anyway, back to the project at hand. It's been so long since I've seen you guys. I just feel like babbling and just telling you everything that's going on. But I will try to focus on this because it is a review for a very excellent product. I do have to warn you about some of the footage. Meemaw is got to be the very worst videographer ever. I love her dearly, but she doesn't look at the camera, and well, you'll see. You'll see. Don't say I didn't warn you. Hang on. Let's go check out this fabulous Saker product. So you just have to hold it. No, you gotta hold it. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll be able to see.
We don't believe in last names here. This package was wrapped in white plastic, and it was from Eddie to Lorrie. No last names, nothing. Just Eddie.
Yes, I'm not entirely sure if it's something that I ordered. Because, you know, I order stuff all the time from Amazon, but I don't recall ordering anything from an Eddie. And I don't recall winning anything recently either in any giveaways, so these scissors are dull as...
And who is Eddie?
They said it's probably an Amazon seller, and it's probably something that I ordered.
Oh, that's what it is. What is it?
Yay!
A leaf blower.
It is my Saker Plus cordless leaf blower. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. This is from Saker. Saker is fabulous. I have a little mini chainsaw by them. And oh my goodness. Yes,
Oh, you got to see the picture with her chainsaw. She sent it to the guys. She sent it to the head guy of the people who took our trees down, and they left one stump. And Lorrie sent him a picture out.
I'm so excited. All right, so this must be the top. And let's pop her open here and see what we've got. So we have the instructions, of course. We have, oh my gosh, 2 batteries. So that's fabulous. And then we have a charger, which I'm going to assume I need to charge everything. Oof, it has a smell like plastic, I'll tell you that. Not a whole lot of room here because I've got everything is a mess. So, and yeah, and there it is. So it fits in my hand very nicely. It doesn't have a battery attached yet, so I'll have to see how heavy it is once it gets attached. But yeah, it looks pretty simple. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and get these batteries charged. Oh, and look, it does come with a set of earplugs. So I'm going to assume that it's recommended you use earplugs with it. So anyway, I am going to get this charging up, and then we're going to run some tests with it. Yay, I'm so excited. Check it out, honey.
Oh, you're bold.
My little leaf blower.
Okay, charger, batteries.
2 batteries.
Yeah. Well, it only charges one at a time.
You're going to charge it for me?
Yeah.
All right. Don't test it without me. You want to, I can tell by the look in your eyes. Action. Here's my little
mini blower.
My little mini blower.
Everybody needs a mini blower.
Everybody needs a mini blower. That's right.
There's
Oh, look how fabulous it is. How heavy is it?
Not very heavy. It's very light.
Okay.
And
even with the battery?
You got a battery charger.
Okay.
Okay. You got 2 batteries.
Yeah.
This one's charged. We already charged this.
Okay.
So here you go. Just stick it in there. It's in.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Well, let's go out to the back deck and give it a try.
There's only one speed, I assume, right?
I think so.
I don't have my glasses on anyway. No, turn it over.
Yeah, turbofan and charging is really all it says.
Okay, so, all right. You ready?
I'm ready.
You want to run the operation here?
Are you going to run the camera?
Try.
You could try. Well, I'll tell you what. You go first, and then I'll try it.
Ready?
Ready. Okay, let me try.
About as powerful as my electric one.
Is it? Well, that's what I said. We'll do. I'll set up a test for us.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, come this way.
You gotta hold the camera up so it's up, honey. He's like got it pointed down at the ground. Well, that works.
Yeah, it works. They had a little nozzle though. I mean, a little.
So you could have some more direction for it.
Just like a 3 or 4 inch, but I imagine that'd make it cost more and stuff.
And it would make it heavier.
No, it wouldn't. It's plastic.
I think.
Yeah.
But that's nice. I mean, it didn't blow the stuff out from between there, but I don't think anything would anyway.
Well, if you take something and you loosen it up.
Yeah.
Because it's been there for 12 years.
Yeah. Well, I'm talking about like these little things that are new, because we've cleaned out part of this.
Yeah, but they're in there tight.
They are in there tight.
But if you scraped it a little bit and then blew it, they'd probably loosen it up.
And then blow it up, probably loosen it up and blow them out.
But yeah, it'd be good. That's good for you.
Well, yeah, because I can keep it just inside the kitchen and come out here whenever it's dry and blow off this deck.
You can come out here anytime. Yeah, come out here. No, I can't.
We wouldn't be on camera. The camera's pointing that way.
Oh. But yeah, I think that's for you, that's a good item.
Yeah.
And stuff.
Well, I am going to set up some tests.
And yeah, I mean.
For us. Like maybe I'll scrape out a couple of these and see who cleans it faster. Or I'll set up some some bark chips
Okay.
in a row and see which one blows them out faster. We won't do that today though. I have a couple of weeks to do my video.
Okay.
Kind of fun, huh?
It's portable.
Yeah.
It works pretty good.
You know, if that would hook up to anything.
Those
So, I mean, those are embedded on there, those
well,
spider webs,
those are
so,
cobwebs and nothing.
yeah, they're not going anywhere.
No, the only thing, well, I guess would make any difference with you.
What's that?
The lifetime of the battery. I mean, how long does it run
Oh, I don't know.
and stuff?
To run it for a while and find out.
But it works pretty good. There you go.
Thanks, honey. Well, so far so good. Let's run a couple of test trials and test it out against our regular blower. And then we'll put the video together and let you know what we think. Better. What do you think, honey? Which blower is gonna win? Now, I was gonna go through and show y'all how easy it is to put mine together as opposed to his having to drag out an electrical cord and all that. Mine, you just pop and it's ready. But we knew that that would look silly because you all would know that mine obviously is going to be easier to set up than his is. So we didn't try to pretend that that wasn't a thing. And we're both going to start from being set up. Ready?
Well, Gabby, are you done?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, come on. Aww. I might not have won the bark blowing contest, but my blower is probably about half the power of what our standard blower is. The one thing that we did notice as we were testing it was that it was hard for it to be directional because there is no nozzle on it to actually point the air. So that would be my one possible suggestion. Now, one thing that I hadn't noticed until I went and looked it up on their website is that it does have variable speeds. So that's kind of cool. Depending on how hard you press the button, it goes to different speeds, up to turbo speed, which is what I was using on it here. So, overall, I would probably give this little mini blower an 8 out of 10. Maybe even an 8.5 or a 9 out of 10. Like, there were a couple of things that for leaf blowing made it a little bit difficult. Not having a nozzle to create some direction to where the air was going was a little bit tough because it just blew the chips all over the place, which in some cases would be fine, but in other cases you would want it to have that directional. And so I think if it had the directional as well, I wouldn't have had to get down almost on my hands and knees to get it to spray at the right angle. Now, when I went to look on the website to compare it to what the speed is of the one there that Dave's got, but other than being quite a bit smaller, the ratings that they have or the information that they have is not the same as what I have. But I do know that ours, the big one, is quite a bit bigger. Now, the Saker, I gotta say, for what it's for and for what I'm going to use it for, it's perfect. I have been using it every single day to go out on my deck and clean it off. And it also, now that I know it has the variable speeds, I can start bringing it inside and using it too for more dusting and cleaning and just kind of general blowing of everything. Anyway, like I said, I would probably give it 8.5 out of 10 for everything that I do, and it is a tool that I will use every single day. I want to say thank you again to Saker Plus for thinking of me and letting me try out their fantastic tool. This little blower will be used regularly here around my house. And I want to thank all of you for coming and hanging out with me for a little while today and watching us test this cordless leaf blower by Saker Plus. It's the BF173, and I would definitely recommend it to my family and friends for use around the house and around the yard. And as you know, I love my Saker products, and this is just one more to add to the list of fantastic products that Saker puts out for everybody to use. That's it. Thanks, everybody. Take good care of yourselves. Bye now.